On today's episode of Designing Spaces, the grass should always be greener. How to care for your lawn in an innovative, environmentally friendly way. Learn how to ensure mosquitoes buzz off and won't be back. Need a bathroom upgrade? Design tips to make yours feel more luxurious. How to feel safe and secure in your home. Tips to upgrade your home's security with the latest technology. Buying or selling a home? Make sure your title insurance company is up for the job. Time to design. With spring fast approaching, it's the perfect time to revitalize your lawn and rethink the way you care for it. Here's a Designing Spaces tip from Rachio Thrive.
Keeping a beautiful and green lawn takes a little bit of knowledge and very minimal effort. But it's important to understand the steps you need to take to responsibly care for your lawn in order to keep your kids, your pets, and your environment safe.
Although fertilizers have been in widespread use for some time, the true cost hasn't been known until recently. Luckily, there is an alternative.
Traditional fertilizers can be harmful to your lawn. They can harm your kids, your pets, even the environment, especially the waterways as well. And oftentimes, they don't allow you to get back on the lawn and enjoy it like you should. That's why a product like Rachio Thrive's Lawn Champion, which is natural and formulated to prevent runoff into the water sources and harm the wildlife, is a great alternative.
Saving the environment may be foremost on the list, but saving on the water bill helps as well.
Lawn Champion is a super convenient and very innovative microalgae product, and it combines a nature-based fertilizer with Rachio's smart watering technology. Rachio's Smart Sprinkler Controller is a Wi-Fi-based controller that taps into local weather stations and radar to provide you accurate weather readings within your yard and adjust your watering schedules based upon those readings. But with that and Lawn Champion, you're growing more drought-resistant roots, which means you're watering less. This means more savings on your water bill and less strain on the local water resources.
Lawn care should also be hassle-free.
Rachio Thrive is delivered directly to your door, so you don't have to worry about visiting the store, figuring out which products to buy, and then lugging around those heavy bags. Everything is provided in an easy-to-store box. Plus, the Rachio app provides a seamless experience from start to finish, walking you through the exact application process. Really, it provides guidance and expertise, not just for this year, but for years to come.
For more info on how to keep your lawn beautiful and environment-friendly, visit rachio.com/thrive for details.
My name is Susanna, and I'm an associate director here at Camp Live Oak. As a camp counselor, I love getting the kids out in nature. During camp, we have a great nature arts and crafts program. We like to use found objects such as shells or small acorns. We also will go to the beach, and we do great activities like canoeing, archery, fishing. We're so excited each summer for summer camp, and you know, my job is to make sure that everybody's prepared and ready to have a great, safe summer. Let's do a backpack check, okay? Towel? Check. Water? Check. Sunscreen? Check. Insect repellent? Check.
My favorite thing at camp is going to the beach and doing art.
We have anywhere from I would say about 200 campers per week during the summer. So as a camp counselor, it's really important to let the kids be outside and explore. All right, guys, are we ready? Yep. All right, come on. I personally probably spend close to about maybe 300 out of 365 days outside, because besides working at camp, I just love being outside with my family. We do get a bit of mosquitoes, and since we're very close to the beach, we also get no-see-ums.
Why do they call them no-see-ums? Because you don't see them. And they bite. Oh, I get the joke.
You can hardly see them, hence they're called no-see-ums, but they come out in the morning and in the evening time. And then along with the mosquitoes, you know, they're a little bit more of a nuisance during the summer.
The mosquitoes like me a lot, but I don't like the mosquitoes.
We always tell the parents to make sure that they pack insect repellent for the kids. So we tell them to apply it before they come to camp, and then to pack it in their backpack, and then throughout the day, our camp counselors are able to help them reapply after swimming or after sports. So it's great, you know, even though they're not, maybe the mosquitoes aren't so bad or the no-see-ums, it's always just nice to have a little protection for them. So it's super important to stay hydrated, protected from the sun, and protected from the insects. So I've been a camp director for over 10 years, so I know a lot about bug bites. I love off botanicals because it doesn't leave a sticky residue, it doesn't smell, and it works. All right, guys, you ready to go home?
Yes.
Did we have a great day today or what?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
The hike.
The hike, mine too.
This bathroom has been completely transformed to a coastal yet contemporary style. It has so many beautiful details and also some big statement pieces, like these stone vessel sinks to these giant round mirrors, and then of course our freestanding tub. It's really the ultimate master bath retreat, and it all came together with the help of Build.com.
I was really excited to work on this spa vibe bathroom. The first thing I suggested was a freestanding vessel tub. A freestanding vessel tub is a statement piece that adds an element of luxury to any bathroom. It's also a great alternative to a traditional alcove tub if you have a shower stall. The next thing to consider is whether to use a wall-mounted tub filler or a floor-mounted tub filler. After discussing the project further, I suggested going with this tub filler with a hand shower. The style matches the tub perfectly, and the functionality of the hand shower is great for bathing, washing a dog, or just cleaning the tub. No matter what you're working on, Build.com has everything you need to bring your project to life.
Thomas and Lisa have just moved into a new house. They have 2 young children, pets, and Lisa runs a home business, a hair salon out of the house.
So what are we doing today? Just a trim? I was just on Facebook earlier. Did you hear about the break-in down the street the other day?
Home security is of the utmost importance to them.
So I just moved into this house and I travel quite a bit. You know, I have my girlfriend, the kids, and pets. I just want to make sure that everybody's protected.
Thomas and Lisa are looking to bring their new home into the latest era of security and connectivity.
So in addition to the security, I was also interested in home automation, which actually gives me the ability to control my lights, locks, and maybe even my thermostat.
Oh, and what about the camera?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the camera. So I also would like to check on the app and take a look at when the kids come home or when they're leaving, or maybe if we get a package at the door.
Which is why they've decided to meet with a representative for ADT, here to give them the 411 on how they can make their new home smarter, safer, and more secure.
Okay, I want to show you guys some of the stuff that we're going to be installing today. So we'll start with what's most important, and that's keeping your family safe and secure, right? We've got what we call a shock detector here. What the shock detector does is it goes off whether the door or window is opened or closed, or if somebody hits it to try to break it. So stops the bad guy before he's in your home, which is really important to us. This is a glass break detector. We'll put this in a room with a lot of windows, and what this will do is it'll listen for the sound of breaking glass. So should somebody shatter a window to try to get in, it will dispatch the police. On top of that, we've got some life safety devices. This here is our monitored smoke detector. On top of that, we also have a carbon monoxide detector. If you're sleeping, if you're awake, if you're here, if you're not here, just rest assured that the fire department will be dispatched if the alarm goes off.
Armed with a better understanding, Thomas and Lisa move forward with the installation, and the ADT technicians get to work.
So Thomas and Lisa decided that they wanted to put the main keypad right here. And this is the most important piece of the system. This one has all of the brains in it to communicate with all the devices.
With the new system installed, Chris takes Thomas and Lisa for a tour of the system's new features.
Okay, we'll start here at the front door. We've got our smart door lock. This will give you full control of your front door from the phone app, from a computer, from your control panel, or from the keypad itself right here. Not only can you lock it and unlock it from the phone app remotely, but we can set up automations to happen like when you arm the system before you leave, it will automatically lock the door. Should there be a fire or a carbon monoxide emergency, we can set this up to not only unlock the front door when the alarm goes off, but we can also have one of these light modules connected to a lamp in the home, so it will turn on a light and unlock the door so the fire department can get in easily, and if you're alerted by the alarm, you can wake up and see what's going on and you can get out of the home quickly. And then we've got our ADT doorbell camera right here, so this will let you know exactly who's coming and going from the home. It'll get you those video clips when anytime someone presses the button or walks in front of the camera, and it'll allow you to talk to anyone who's standing on your porch. Back here is where we did the exterior camera.
What kind of range does this camera have back here?
It'll take a look at your whole backyard, and we can pick certain zones that we want to monitor motion in. And anytime it sees motion in that area, it will record a clip and send you an alert.
Oh, cool.
So that covers the outside. Let's go take a look at what we did inside. This is a wireless infrared motion detector, and the reason why we call it the second line of defense is should somebody get through your perimeter protection on your windows or your doors, it's going to cover this whole area. And if somebody passes through, it's going to activate the alarm.
What about my cat Lenny? Would he set off the motion detector?
It will ignore any pet that's under 80 pounds, so I think you should be good unless Lenny has an eating issue. This is your smart thermostat, and the great thing about this thermostat is we can set it to a schedule, or you can control it from your app on your phone. All right, we're almost done. We just have one more thing to do, and that's your indoor camera. So I know the two of you arm wrestled over the location, so why don't you tell me where we're gonna put it?
We're gonna put it right here on the mantle.
Looks like there's an electrical outlet back there, so we can set it like somewhere about right there. And the great thing is if you ever decide you want to put it somewhere else, you just unplug it and move it, and it's wireless except for that power cord. When you're not using your mobile app, this is probably where you'll be controlling your system. Your ADT Command touchscreen, which is the brains of the entire system.
Well, Chris, definitely thank you for all the work you put in today. Really appreciate it.
Thank you. So
Chris and the crew came over today and they installed some of the newest smart home equipment from ADT Protect Your Home. And I gotta admit, I'm feeling pretty protected.
And I have peace of mind knowing that when Thomas is traveling, that the kids and I'll be safe, and I'm looking forward to using the equipment.
We built a really cool system that was designed around their lifestyle, and I can tell that they're really excited to start using it. And I feel great because I know they're going to be safe and secure for a really long time.
For more information on how ADT can help make your home smarter, safer, and more secure, visit protectyourhome.com or visit designingspaces.tv. Choosing the right title company can save you money. You have the right to choose a title company that will get you the best deal. And you have the right to pick an independent company, such as Zing Title, that you can trust to handle what is probably the biggest financial transaction of your life. Ellen is about to sell her mother's house, but she needs to choose a title company that's going to represent her best interests.
I know there's a lot of fraud out there, so I really want to find a company that has my best interest in mind.
Being the seller, you absolutely have the right to choose your title and settlement agent. You should really do your homework because you're talking an expenditure of well over $1,000 for title and settlement services. Ask around and check out at least 2 or 3 companies.
Zing Title will shop your transaction among the best providers to give you the best price on your title insurance.
Every real estate transaction is different, so you want a title company that's been there for the long run and has seen everything.
Ellen decides to talk to Bill Richardson, who works for Zing Title, for some advice.
So I'm almost there. I'm getting excited. Looking forward to hearing what my options are. I need to figure out what title company to use. My realtor wants me to use their broker's title company, but there's a lot of fraud out there, and I just want to make sure that I have the right company for me. I heard some great things about Zing Title, so I'm here to find out more. Hi, I'm here to see Bill Richardson.
Oh, you must be Ellen.
I am, thank you.
Hi, Ellen.
Hi, Bill. Nice to meet you.
Why don't we go right in there?
Perfect.
As you take a seat right over here.
Awesome. Thanks for meeting with me, Bill. I've heard a lot of great things about Zing Title.
No problem. I'm happy to go through everything with you. You're really smart to be shopping around for title insurance. There's a lot of different companies out there, and there are a lot of things you need to be concerned about. Starting off would be number one is asking your realtor or lender if they have any affiliated business arrangement with the title company they're recommending. As you're going through it with them, you're going to want to ask them about what they do to protect your interest, what they do to protect your money through prevention of wire fraud, phishing schemes. You'll want to know about, do they have attorneys on staff, how long they've been in business, how many underwriters they write for, and lastly, what they're going to charge you.
So what does Zing Title provide me as far as security?
Well, we have data security policies that cover phishing and different forms of business enterprise email compromise, have internal financial controls set up to verify that when we're releasing funds or accepting funds, that they're going to the right person.
There's so much wire fraud out there, and I want to really make sure that, my money is being safe and secure.
When you're looking at a title company, most of them do not cover social engineering, which is how wire fraud is committed. We take wire fraud prevention very seriously.
Sounds great. So how do we get started?
First thing you want to do is tell your realtor to get in touch with me, and we can start the ball rolling from there.
That's great. Thank you so much, Bill. I really appreciate it.
At Zing, we bring you the best of both worlds. We're a large agency. We represent many underwriters. That gives us lots of solutions to any issues that may come up on your transaction. We've been doing this for 45 years. We've closed 150,000 plus real estate transactions. We have great financial controls at Zing, and we also have a comprehensive cyber liability policy from Lloyd's of London. It will protect you if wire transfer fraud impacts your transaction.
Thank you, sir. I think that Zing Title will be a great pick for Ellen because we have some of the most competitive rates out there. We've been in business for 45 years, and we have great cybersecurity and fraud prevention policies.
It went really great. I learned a lot about title insurance and security measures, and I'm really glad that I came here.
What sets Zing apart from its competitors is we've been doing this for 45 years. Our family has been in this business for 65 years. We have lawyers on staff who will solve your problems, both title and closing. We're trusted by the 5 largest title insurance underwriters in the United States, with most relationships going back decades.
Zing's detailed work includes making sure you get all of the appropriate discounts and don't pay more than you need to, so you can move into your new home with peace of mind. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.